This is just like, to me, the most important thing in the world.
It feels really safe and nourishing to have these tools.
Surprisingly really profound and deep. It's a huge step into making all relationships so much better.
Connection is life-changing, but it's also chaotic and anxiety-inducing. How can we wield this powerful force? How can we use it for our growth and expansion without allowing it to consume us and lose ourselves? Relational Alchemy is a 3.5-day trauma-aware experience of conflict transformation. It is a comprehensive set of tools and practices that allow relationships to flourish and deepen even through the most challenging moments. Together, we will build our house of relational mastery brick by brick, till we're able to leave with the embodied skill necessary to invite and expand the connections that we truly have longed for. Are you ready to make a real impact on your relationships? Join us August 29th in the beautiful island of Koh Phangan. I can't wait to meet you.